So, uh, you can stay and still be free. Now, for some of you, you might think, well, how is that? I have stayed all these years and I'm not free. But staying doesn't automatically mean that you've just given up. And, freedom while staying does look like it's different to what you've got, but it looks like you've got boundaries, and it looks like you've got separate emotional weather, that you're not enmeshed with your partner, that you're able to take control of your inner weather. It's like refusing to manage what isn't yours. Your partner's inner state is not down to you. Your inner state is down to you, and you've got to learn to detach your inner state from his or her inner state. And you, you know, when you've got that inner freedom and you've detached and taken charge of you and understand, you do not have to be in the pits because of the chaos. You stop collapsing around their choices and you stop organizing your life around their chaos. You can remain, but you no longer disappear. And it's quite a radical act to be able to decide, I will not allow my behavior to be dictated by someone else's behavior. Because that's what makes that situation worse, is when you lose yourself. So carry on watching the playlist to learn how you can not lose yourself and you can hold on to yourself. And that's the only way you can keep your sanity remaining in that kind of relationship, when you take charge of your own inner state. And so in the next video, I'm going to look at you can leave and you can still be whole. Uh, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.